What? Of the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The chosen one. The 10-star general. You don't know it go already. When I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know it go. When we load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. The most electrify one on YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people. You know it can't get no more electrified than that. We still have say freedom for the world boss. We still have say the world boss forward Father's Day for him youth them. What a glorious look. A whole heap of me say and bad-minded people here on the internet are go on with all type of hypocrisy. People don't follow them. We still have say freedom and the faith still strong. You see what I say? Now watch what the internet has said. You see me? Watch what the court has said. Now give me thing in it, no lollipop thing not dead about it. You don't know how I represent Gaza way, there ain't no other way. Right now, you know, this boy we name Sissy Q, aka Sissy Q, aka SissyQ. Yo, people, but they tell us that this boy is not good at all, you know. I never believe, you know. All the people them, you know, on the internet I tell him say, yo, talk about your prison life. Talk about where you face in the facility and what you do for going to the facility that you can wise up some youth and not make them make the same mistake like what you make. You think the boy are here with the people them and say, no, all the boy want to do a suck on vybz cartel name like me don't know. If the boy think he more make up on the man name, him can't get the man name out of him more. For some reason. Me don't know how that. But watch me now. Yo, this boy say, him there on the internet. And he might bring something to the internet where he might wise up people and he might wise up youth and all these fuck over them claim he might do. Yo, only look or run in your mouth and get some views and some people hype you up and boot you up. Look what it have done to him. And enough people act like them don't even see that. Yo, you know not see the boy come out and I talk about how much him can thump vybz cartel in him face and kick in him chest. Me bumper ass clout nation people. Me no know if it's a prison style lot or that him learn in a prison. But let me tell you something. That can't go on a bumper clout road. You hear that? That type of rascal sure thing that when me hear you talk about thump in a face and kick in a chest. That bumper clout no go on a road. You hear that? No lollipop thing not there about it. Me see say your life long but you're careless with it. After your bumper clot grew up in a juvenile facility in America to big blood clot prison and you forward to Jamaica and drop in a blood clot cell block prison. You see what I say? And for somehow, me no know who you squeal on, whatever you do the plea bargain where you take, it bring you go on road. You see what I say? And bring you around your kids them, because I see you show two little boy and a little girl. You see what I say? And bring you around your kids them, you know, and not even that alone can control you, my brother. You talk about thumping a face and kicking a blood clot chest. Eh? You know, sister, you're born worthless, my brother. And other people them act like them can't bum buckle seat because them blind. But true, me an original concrete stepper. Here's what me I say, jungle is for life. Look a shishki bag like you can't trick me. What kind of trick you can bring to me? What kind of games business you think you can play with me? I'm not deaf on that. Eh? That's where the fucking internet lead your mouth to, don't it? Don't it? Well, that is something wise where you wise up people. Eh? The people them pan it will listen to your nonsense and your crap. That's a clever move of you. So why a vybz cartel you want to do it to? You not see nobody out the street where you can challenge like that because vybz cartel in a prison, you know, my brother. So I want to know if you not see nobody out the street where you can exercise the rascal shit the way you dream about. Thump in a face and kick in a chest. Nobody not out a road where you can exercise that pan. I don't tell you I heard it all. You see what I say? Say you ain't nothing more than a little shishki bag. A old criminal. You see what I say? And they ain't nothing about you can bum buckle change. It there in your eye. From your look, you can't see it. No wonder why you shine your face from the camera. You can't stare in at the camera because you don't want the people them see the whole nasty criminal you fucking is. Eh? Yo. I see you get up and do 9 videos straight in the blue shirt. 9 videos you do straight in the same blue shirt, you know. I wait though, it make on pan you or I well it on pan you. It can't come off. Eh? I tell you, you know, you still act like a blood clot prisoner there, you know. You see what I say? And all of your chats are prison style you use and prison craft. But continue. Anyway, nation people. Sissy Q, him so meet him own Waterloo. Make him continue. You know what I mean? We'll see when the world boss show you where them satties and crutches you are going to do. But hear me now. I want to run over my channel. Look for the song when name The Whole 30 and Dignity. The artist name Dignity. Or you can forward over on page Dignity. And look for The Whole 13. Check out the song and the music video. Leave a comment. Tell me how the youth sound. And tell me if you don't see nothing what we can upgrade upon. Because you know a 10 star I represent FME, Federal Music Entertainment. Big up the whole of Rima, the whole of Rostown, the whole of Jungle, the whole of Federal, the whole of Arnett Garden, the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Jonestown. What? Waterford. Oh no, know the badness go. When we touch the road, the clip them load. The royal boss soon get home like Jerome. Wow.